Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Decor. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. Now this first one involves someone showing us how to be bougie on a budget. So they bought these various items from the dollar store and they pretty much spray painted them all white, ivory. She's making some type of vase design here. She spray painted those books, a bowl. Oh, so she decorated her bookcase with that. Wow. What an amazing hack. This is just crazy good. So she gave it kind of like that restoration hardware look using dollar store products. I love this idea. Very cool. And you would never know that those were dollar store items. Very cool. Alright, so next up, this DIY involves some clay. Let's make some cute home decor. So it looks like she's doing a mixture here. I thought she was going to be using clay, but I guess not. Looks like she's making some handprints. Okay, so she's mixing in the plaster. Now this part looks like it would be hard. So obviously she's trying to do like a sculpture of her hands. Oh, she did the okay symbol. Wow, this came out really good. So she's doing like the detailing here. Wow, she did a good job with that. And you can decorate with these, your hands in a multitude of different ways. It looks like she used it as like a jewelry holder. That is cute. And a ring holder. Wow, that is pretty cool. Make a paper bouquet with me. Now this is a very popular like TikTok, Instagram trend, making flowers out of paper. Looks like a rose. Really like the color scheme that she's going with here. Blue flowers, that's fun. And it looks like she did different kinds of flowers here, really giving it a nice little interesting look. Oh, that is so pretty. Gorgeous. Absolutely love this idea. And then we go back to the dollar store for the next DIY. So it looks like she's doing a spring table design. Now, even though she doesn't like the goat, she could always spray paint these. Okay, looks like she decided to paint them. That would take way longer though, I'm not gonna lie. Painting them versus spray paint. Oh, she's doing some type of stencil here though. Wow. Now that is pretty impressive. Now obviously you would not want to eat on these. This is strictly for decorating. Oh, that is beautiful. Wow. That came out amazing. Very cool idea. My favorite Amazon find. Looks like some lights for the stairs. We actually have something similar. Magnetic back. Motion sensor. Yep, ours are motion sensor as well. That would be cool to put in the closet though. Alright, so moving on to the next DIY. Looks like they're making some type of like hoop design here. I feel like this is like pretty much a wedding DIY. So if you're getting married, you might really like this one for like a table design. Little table centerpiece. Oh, she's adding some wording here. She's doing the word home. Yep. Oh, this is cute. You know what? You could take like that same hoop design and put like some photos in here too. That would be really cute as well. Like if you were gonna use this as your centerpiece for your wedding, you could do like photos of you and your soon-to-be husband. I think that would be really cute. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out this video with me. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.